Open the ASE task list, Area 6A. Demonstrate proper use of a digital multimeter when measuring source voltage, voltage drop, including grounds, current flow, and resistance. That is a P1 task, mandatory at every accreditation level, and this trainer is that task, built as hardware. 3 typical lamp circuits: conventional, relay-controlled, transistor-controlled. Each with 6 realistic faults the instructor selects by rotary switch, hidden from the student. 47 measuring points for voltage drop measurements along the harness. Students diagnose shorts, grounds, opens, and resistance problems, the exact fault categories ASE names. And document setpoint actual protocols, just like in a real shop. Manual with 107 pages of tasks and solutions. The sentence that sells it: the ASE multimeter task, turned into a trainer.